IFAN factory starts from 1993 and is located in Zhuji City. The factory has 8 workshops: pipe workshop, injection molding workshop, PEX pipe workshop, forging workshop, CNC workshop, assembly workshop, bellows workshop, and packaging workshop. Factory covers more than 120,000 square meters, specializing in the production of PPR pipe fittings, PERT and PEX heating pipe fittings, brass ball valve, PE pipe fittings, PVC pipe fittings, and related brass fittings and other products. We have more than 600 staff, including 56 engineers. The products are exported to 118 countries. PPR Pipeline Workshop has 12 pipeline production lines, mainly producing PPR, PE and PPH pipe, with an average daily output of 30 tons. All PPR raw materials use 100% Korea Hyosung material and Borealis. The production equipment is the original complete set of factory. The extra long cooling channel allows the tube to cool sufficiently. Each production line is equipped with testing equipment to test all aspects of the pipe. Quality inspectors conduct inspections every hour to eliminate potential quality hazards. We have more than 80 injection machines and more than 10,000 molds for PPR, UPVC, CPVC pipe fittings and PPSU fittings. 2 million PCS products are produced every day. PEX pipe workshop mainly produces aluminum plastic welded pipe, PERT floor heating pipe, PEX pipe. The product passes the inner tube production, cooling, aluminum strip cutting, welding, outer tube production, typing and other processes. The average daily production capacity can reach 250,000 meters. Each production line has testing equipment to ensure product quality. The forging workshop mainly produces brass ball valve, brass pipe fittings, water distributors, gas pipe fittings, water nozzles. CW617 brass is used as raw material. Use fully automatic cutting, red punching, forging, trimming, sandblasting, and other processes to complete the rough processing of bars products, and the average daily output is 20 to 30 tons. The CNC workshop has more than 200 machines. Production of various products through different processes. Quality inspectors regularly inspect. All kinds of semi-finished products will be transported to the assembly workshop for assembly and quality inspection. After approval, the product will be put into storage. The bellows workshop has 8 machines with a daily production capacity of 8,000 meters. It mainly produces stainless steel gas pipe, braided pipe and shower hose. Automated packaging workshop can realize product individual packaging, customized personalized labels and other requirements. Even with high-quality product quality, professional team service to achieve first-class brand. Your satisfaction is our greatest motivation. IFAN looks forward to cooperating with you to create a better future.